Good morning, welcome to English class with me, Miss Sarah. Today, we are going to study English. But before that, Miss Sarah mau mengingatkan kembali kalau di dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris ini anak-anak tetap mempersiapkan buku bahasa Inggrisnya, your English textbook, kemudian alat-alat tulisnya, dan kemudian anak-anak pay your attention ke materi yang Miss Sarah berikan. Nah, Miss Sarah akan memberikan lesson objektif pada hari ini. Kalau anak-anak itu will talk about daily activities. Kemudian grammar fokus pada hari ini, anak-anak akan mempelajari tentang prepositional process of the different time of day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Oke, jadi anak-anak punya lesson objektif dan grammar fokus untuk lesson hari ini. Kemudian anak-anak jangan lupa English textbook-nya dibuka halaman 12, open page 12. Nah, tapi sebelum kita masuk ke page 12, kita mau menyanyikan dulu lagu yang last meeting anak-anak sudah menyanyikan lagu ini. This song about what do you do? So let's listen and sing along with me.
Track 5, Song Chest, page 17. K. Listen and sing along. What do you do?
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? In the morning, I brush my teeth and I take a shower. That's what I do. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? In the afternoon, I go to the park and I play with my friends. That's what I do.
Thank you for sing along with me. Okay, now look at the picture. What can you see? Wow, there are a lot of things there. So, kita mau read aloud together ya. Miss Sarah first and after that you, okay? Pajamas. Okay, good. Shower. Good. Wake up. Good. Eat breakfast. Good. Go to school. Good job. Nah, kemudian Miss Sarah punya question. What is this? Pajamas. Good job. What is this? Shower. Good job. Sekarang it's time for listen and number. Seperti contohnya, di situ ada sudah dinomerin ada eat breakfast. Nanti di audionya ada conversation like I eat a big breakfast. Number 1, I eat a big breakfast. So you need to write it down in the box. Number 1. Sekarang kita dengarkan audionya dulu ya.
English Chest 3. Copyright 2011. Compass Publishing. All rights reserved.
Unit 1, At Home. Lesson 1. What do you do in the morning? Track 1, Word Chest, page 12. A. Listen and number. What do you do in the morning? Number 1.
Eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
Number 2.
Wake up. I wake up.
Number 3.
Shower. I take a shower.
Number 4.
Go to school. I go to school.
Number 5.
Pajamas. I put on pajamas.
Nah, sekarang kita mau koreksi bersama jawaban dari anak-anak tadi yang sudah di numbering. Oke, are you ready? Good job, absolutely. Oke, number 1. Tadi example-nya, eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Number 1. Good job. Sekarang number 2. Wake up. I wake up. Good job. And then number 3. Shower. I take a shower. So you need to write it down number 3 here. And number 4. Go to school. So 4 here. Number 4. Number 5. Pajamas. I put on pajamas. Here is number 5. Betul semua? Good job. Yang belum betul boleh diperbaikin ya, supaya tahu dan supaya benar. Oke? Nah, sekarang Miss Sarah would like to asking you to do a conversation. So, anak-anak boleh nanti cari partner di rumah untuk melakukan percakapan ini. Tapi kalau misalnya tidak ada, kita lakukan sendiri. Nanti ada di sini asking and answering. Oke? Ada picture number 1 and pictures number 2. Sekarang pictures number 1. Kita baca sama-sama ya. Mulai dari anak yang laki-laki di gambar ini. What do you do at night? Kemudian yang girl-nya jawab, I put on my pajamas. Good job. Sekarang yang number 2. Sekarang anak-anak yang bertanya. Nanti ibu yang akan menjawab. Ibu hitung ya. I'll count 1, 2, 3. I take a shower. Okay, good job. Ingat kalau in the morning itu adalah when the sun's shining, rise up. Kalau in the afternoon itu ketika matahari masih berada di atas kepala kita. Kalau in the evening, when the sun set, okay? And at night itu malam hari. Ada 4 time. Ada in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Okay, now Miss Sarah punya question buat anak-anak sebelum masuk ke listening test. Questionnya adalah, what do you do in the morning? Silahkan dijawab. Good job. 3 kegiatan ya. Sekali lagi Miss Sarah akan tanya, what do you do in the morning? Yang pertama, Yang kedua, Yang ketiga, Good job. Nah, sekarang look at the picture please. Coba lihat, kira-kira itu story-nya tentang apa sih? Nah, sekarang Miss Sarah would like to tell you about that story. Is about Annie. Okay. One day, Amy is at Carrie's house. They have on pajamas. They are in bed, but they are not sleeping. They are talking. Amy asks Carrie, "What do you do in the morning?" Carrie said, "I get dressed." She takes a shower at night. Amy asks, "Do you sleep with wet hair?" Carrie says she doesn't sleep with wet hair. She dries her hair at night. Nah, itu tadi ceritanya. Sekarang kita mau talk, listen, and read together, okay? Kita baca bersama-sama. 1, 2, 3. What do you do in the morning, Katie? I get dressed. Do you take a shower? No, I take a shower before I go to bed. Really? Do you sleep with wet hair? No, I dry it. Good job. Sekarang listen di audionya ya.
Track 2. Listening Chest. Page 13. C. Talk, listen, and read.
What do you do in the morning, Katie? I get dressed. Do you take a shower? No, I take a shower before I go to bed. Really? Do you sleep with wet hair? No, I dry it.
Okay. Have you finished to listen that audio? Good job. Now, Miss Sarah would like to ask you to fill this blank box, okay? With the conversation, with the sentences. The first one, did you remember what she said to Katie? Yeah, she said, "What do you do in the morning, Katie?" Let's take a look. Good job. Kemudian Katie-nya jawab apa? I get dressed. Kemudian tanya lagi tuh, do you take a shower? Kemudian Katie-nya jawab, no, I take a shower before I go to bed. Kemudian ditanya lagi, really? Do you sleep with wet hair? Kemudian Katie-nya jawab apa? No, I dry it. Good job. Nanti boleh diisi ya. Nah, based on the conversation before, anak-anak akan complete the sentences for Katie. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. So you need to fill this blank, tapi berdasarkan conversation sebelumnya. Kira-kira apa ya? Katie apa? Get dressed in the morning. Nah, Miss Sarah akan kasih contoh nomor 1. Get dressed in the morning. Sekarang yang nomor 2 dan nomor 3 anak-anak kerjakan sendiri. Lihat dari percakapan yang ada di atas. Sudah? Kalau gitu kita akan koreksi bersama-sama ya. Yang number 2, Katie take a shower before she goes to bed. Katie akan shower atau mandi dulu sebelum dia pergi tidur. Kemudian number 3, Katie dries. Apa yang di dries? Wet hair. Benar sekali. Siapa yang benar semua? Hebat. Yang belum benar boleh diperbaikin dulu ya. Kemudian we are going to talk about what is this? Look at the picture. What picture is that? Ada yang tahu itu cerita tentang apa? Nah, sekarang Miss Sarah akan cerita berdasarkan pictures tersebut ya. The boy and the girl have some wood. They make a fire. The boy asks her, "What do you do in the morning?" The girl says she watches television. She watches television with her mom and dad. The boy says he washes his face in the morning. So, siapa yang bisa isi percakapan yang kosong tersebut berdasarkan ceritanya dari Miss Sarah? Ingat, untuk bantuannya anak-anak, kalau ada yang bertanya tentang what do you do, seperti ini, what do you do in the morning, atau in the afternoon, atau in the evening. Kemudian jawabannya, apa kata kerjanya? I wash, or I take a shower, or I cook. Oke. Kemudian juga pertanyaannya sama begitu. What do you do at night? I watch misalnya. I learn misalnya seperti itu. Sekarang it's time to fill this blank. The first one. Yang boy itu tanya apa? What do you do in the morning? Kemudian the girl said, I watch television with my mom and dad. How about you? Kemudian the boy said, apa? Benar, I wash my face. Sekarang kita masuk ke picture prompts part F. Boleh buka di buku English Chessbook-nya. Kemudian I will play the audio for you.
Track 3. Talk Chest. Page 14. F. Picture prompts. Number 1.
What does she do in the morning?
She brushes her hair.
Number 2.
What do they do in the morning?
They eat breakfast.
Number 3.
What does he do in the afternoon?
He plays soccer.
Number 4.
What does she do in the evening?
She does her homework.
Number 5.
What does she do at night?
She brushes her teeth.
Okay. Have you finished to listen that audio? Good job. Now, what should you do? Tadi berdasarkan contoh yang number 1 tadi, yang audionya mengatakan bahwa what does she do in the morning? Kemudian ada girl-nya, said she brushes her hair. Berdasarkan gambar dan berdasarkan clue yang ada di sini. Nah, nanti anak-anak akan menuliskan di buku tulisnya number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 berdasarkan gambar dan clue yang ada di masing-masing nomor. Ibu sudah kasih contohnya di number 1. Nanti tulisnya seperti ini ya, ada boy, ada girl, atau boleh diganti girl boy saja. Jadi nanti ada boy, what does she do in the morning? Berdasarkan clue, kemudian girl-nya jawab, she brushes her hair. Lihat gambarnya. Begitu juga dengan nomor 2, nomor 3, nomor 4, nomor 5. Selamat mengerjakan. Dan sebagai tugas lainnya, setelah tugas ini, anak-anak you will ask and answer question about your family member. Nanti anak-anak akan menanyakan kepada anggota keluarga dan menanya dan menjawab tentang misalnya contohnya, what does your sister do in the morning? Kemudian dijawab, she washes her face. Atau misalnya, what does, nama saudara kamu misalnya Darius, what does Darius do after he washes his face? Kemudian dia jawab lagi, he gets dresses. Bisa? 3 orang ya yang ditanya, boleh daddy, mommy, atau your little sister or your brother. So, tugas ini ibu kasih waktu sampai hari Sabtu. Jadi anak-anak bisa punya waktu beberapa hari untuk menanyakan kepada orang tua dan tentang what does you do atau what do you do. Okay? Thank you. It's enough for today and goodbye.